the iPhone is kind of changing the industry as regards video, because it's becoming a much more common way for general consumers to consume video. They will watch it on their iPhone wherever they happen to be, and having a decent search service on the iPhone for video, regardless of where it is, that is to say, regardless of where the video happens to be coming from, is a really important thing. So we're continuing to invest in it heavily. The most interesting thing about the iPhone app that we have, first of all, is we have terrific coverage. We have 125 million videos available on the iPhone app. And also the engagement is much higher. By engagement, I mean the number of people who will actually watch videos. They don't just simply browse around looking for stuff. They will watch one video after the next, after the next. And that's really different than what we see on the web. It's an application. Generally, people are more engaged with specific applications than a general website. It's certainly true on the Truveo iPhone. So the new iteration is basically our effort to kind of double down on this space and do a better job providing video search. And I can give you a short little demo here to walk you through what are the things that we can do. Here's your typical iPhone, and here's our Truveo iPhone application. I click right there and I get it started up. And the first thing we see is the featured videos page, which is videos that have risen to the top ranks within Truveo so that you can watch whatever you like. Then, of course, there's the search function. And the big new thing that we're adding in the search function is the ability to do query completion. So query completion, you start typing in Obama, it will give you recommendations for Barack Obama and Obama McCain and things that are very, very specific to video. And that works particularly well on mobile devices where it's difficult to type. So being able to instantly put together a decent suggestion is very useful. The next thing on the list is our ability to show you different channels of content and also categories of content. So categories would be things like news, entertainment, sports, and I can, for example, use query completion to find my news videos and then also sort them to look for which ones are the longest. So for example, I know I have about 15 minutes. I don't want to see some little clip of news, which is what most videos are. I want to see a full-length episode, so I'll say sort by most recent and longer than 15 minutes, and then it shows me recent coverage of videos. So, and there you go, it's playing. If I want to stop it, I just go done. And I'm back in the Truveo application, and I can start searching again for videos elsewhere. When you work with Apple, they generally want video in the format of H.264, which is the codec used to encode video, and to use what's called progressive downloading, which is simply essentially an HTTP protocol. And because the iPhone has become so popular as a medium, as a place for viewing videos, many content producers are making sure that their content is available either through podcasts or either directly onto the iPhone. And that has, in my opinion, slowly started to shift the video industry a little bit toward that standard. So while Flash certainly dominates the web, in mobile and non-PC platforms, I see H.264 and progressive download as something that will continue to grow, primarily because of Apple.